Hello, dear learners. This is Aflah Academy. Welcome to our class. Today, as you see on the pod, we will be spelling word as letter by letter, if God will. When our students want to spell a word, the things that are required to come up with is waxyaaba looga baahan yahay ardaygu waxaa weeye inuu la imaado kooda horeeto dhawaaq inuu la imaado ayaa la rabaa. That's pronunciation. Because without the pronunciation, I say you cannot understand whether you're reading P or B. So, and then number two, we need to come up with, to be very clear and to be very understandable the terms of consonant and vowel sound. Labadaas sidoo kaleeto inaad fahansan tahay ayaa la rabaa. Consonant and vowel sound sidoo kale inaad fahansan tahay ayaa la rabaa. Tan saddexaad waxaa weeye you need to understand if the letter is silent or if the letter is not silent, because in some words there is some silent sounds. Previous lesson we have seen casharkan kuli waxaan soo aragnay in oo ay jirto dhawaaq dheer iyo dhawaaq gaaban. Labadaas dhawaaq inta badan yani way isdhaafaan, yani isku mid maahan. Sometimes word wuxuu noqon karaa long sound, sometimes wuxuu noqon karaa short sound. Mid yani uu dheeraan karaa uuna gaabanaan karaa. So we need to identify inaan kala saari karno ayaa la rabaa whether this word is a long sound or a short sound. In the combination of the vowel sounds of the sounds. So today let's see some words that we are going to spell here. Let's see, like number one, the first word that we are spell here is a blackboard. Yeah, blackboard. Blackboard. Yes. The word that you are seeing on the board is the blackboard. The blackboard was sabuurad soo maha. So blackboard was sabuurad weeye. This is a blackboard. Yes. Blackboard waxaa la yiraahdaa sabuurad weeye. So this is a blackboard. This is a blackboard. Blackboard was sabuurad. So from there now, if we looked it well, at this second of here we have a combination of consonant sound and vowel sound. Waxaa isku jiro shaqal iyo shadban la isku daray waa. Because a word doesn't make sense. A word does not make sense without a combination of consonants and vowel sounds. Yes. If that word does not contain the two sounds, absolutely eraygaas macno ma yeelanayo. Then we need to just explain it well. So here we have this blackboard here. Waxay ka bilowdaa a letter or consonant. We have here a consonant sound, a consonant sound, a vowel sound, a consonant sound, a consonant sound, a consonant sound, a vowel sound, a vowel sound, consonant sound, and consonant sound. Now what here? We are combined together, alafu they make one complete word. Then let's spell it. Yeah, spell waxaa weeye xingaadin waa. Spelling waxaa weeye xingaadin ama xingaad. Yes. Marka wax xingaadinaysid waxaa jira spelling. So when we are spelling here, we have B. In the alphabetical, we have two B's. You have what? We have two B's. We have B and we have P. So when we are pronouncing these two B's here, how can we pronounce? This one, there is a way to pronounce, and this one, there is a way to pronounce. Tan waxaa jirto qaab loo dhawaaqo, sidoo kale tan waxaa jirto qaab loo dhawaaqo. So sidee loo dhawaan karnaa marka? This one markaan ku dhawaaqayno waxaa leenahay B. Waxaa leenahay B. And then tan markaan ku dhawaaqayno waxaa leenahay P. No, bishimaha waa la iska hor keenaya la fusana loo qolocinaya. Then meesha waxa ka soo baxayo dhawaaq adag P. This one laakiin waxaa leenahay B. So from there now, here we have B, here we have L, here we have A, we have C, K, B for book, O, A, R, D. Marka la isku qabto marka waxay noqonaysaa blackboard. This one sometimes you say B for book. Yeah. This one you say what? B for book. Yes, B for book. Because it is B for book. Yeah. Why we are saying B for book? Yes, that's what B. So we say B for book. So blackboard, B for book, LACK, B for book, OARD. So blackboard waxaa weeye waa sabuurad. erayga labaad rabno inaan isbeeliyo waxaa weeye handkerchief. Handkerchief, yeah. Handkerchief. Here we have a handkerchief. Handkerchief, this is a piece of cloth that used to clean the nose or the hand, is that when he or she feels what? Feels wet or sweet, so, or cleaning the body, it's used for cleaning the body. It's a piece of cloth, yeah, it's a piece of cloth that used to clean the body, yeah. The piece of cloth that's used to clean the body. Yeah, that's it's called a handkerchief. Yeah, now this handkerchief, waxaa weeye waa istiraasho. Handkerchief waxaa weeye waa istiraasho. Yeah, handkerchief waxaan dhahnay waa istiraasho. And markaan akhrino dhammaanteedaba waa waxaa weeye waa consonant sound and vowel sound. Shaqal iyo shibana isku dardar waay maho ha. Okay, akhrina bal handkerchief aan leenahay soma. Yes, let's spell marka aan xigaadino. Marka xigaadinayno haba we have no silent word. G, yeah, sometimes yeah we have G, E. These two we pronounce E. Is it? I, E, we pronounce what? E. Okay, now dhawaaqayna. Okay. Here, hanka. Here we have ka. Ayadana waxaan u dhawaaqaynaa sidoo kaleeto ka. Are you seeing this? Waxaan u dhawaaqaynaa ka. Are you seeing ka? Okay, let's pronounce here. We are waxaan handkerchief. Sama. Okay, H word. Now this H is not silent. It's a full pronunciation. Silent maaha. Waa toos waa loo dhawaaqayaa. Then waxaan leenahay H A N K E R C H I E F. Handkerchief. Okay, when CH now combines together, here we have what? CH. CH also we pronounce a what? Ka. Are you seeing this? I'm a K. I'm a CK. I'm a so handkerchief. Waxaa weeye waa istiraasho. Handkerchief waxaan waa istiraasho. Sida, let's look. Umbrella. Yes. That word that we have on the pod here, we have umbrella. An umbrella, we know, dalad soma. Umbrella waxaa weeye waa dalad weeye. Baasha loo isticmaalo roobta, that's called umbrella. This one is called what? Umbrella. Yeah. Umbrella. Yeah, that's umbrella. And then now, when you look at the word very clearly, here we are saying umbrella. And then we don't see A here. And then we are saying are you seeing it there? Okay, meesha alana alanahay. Uma jeedi oo you baan arkaya. Say ku dhacday marka. Because markay isqabtaan waxaa loo dhawaaqa ayaa loo dhawaaqa as qabsana see? Okay, let's look it. Here we have U M B for book, R E L L A. Isku qabo marka. Maxaa weeye waa umbrella. Then the umbrella waxaan dhahnay waa dalad. Soma dalad weeye. Marka waxaan leenahay marka U baan u dhawaaqaynaa tan. So waxaan leenahay U M B for book, R E L A. So umbrella waa dalad. Marka spelling ayaa la yiraahdaa intaas. Marka dhawaaq ama wax aad xingaadinayso waxaa la rabaa marka inaad kala saartid eraygu qaabka uu kala baxo iyo qaabka loo dhawaaqo inaad kala saartid must ah. And then this is how we were spelling the words on the board. So I wish you to understand it well, to read, to explain, to revise more in order to understand the lesson that we are today on the board. So thank you very much.